Hi everyone. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a weighted scoring model in Outgrow, an incredibly effective way to translate user behavior into precise outcomes, personalized recommendations, and dynamic scoring. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Outgrow account. Log in and choose Quiz as your content type. Select Start from Scratch or pick a pre-made quiz if you prefer starting with a structure. This opens the builder with the question editor on the left panel. Step 2. Add your questions. Click Add Question. Choose any format you need. Add all questions that will contribute to your scoring logic. Step 3. Enable Custom Outcome Logic. On the top right panel, toggle on Custom Outcome Logic. You can now assign weights to individual answer options. To assign weights, you can view and manage all mapping at once through the central scoring interface. Example scoring system: high intent behavior, 10 points. Medium intent, 5 points. Low intent, 1 point. Negative indicator, -2 points. These points automatically accumulate as the user moves through the quiz. After setting your weights, click Map Outcomes. Step 4. Create your outcomes. In the left sidebar, click Add Outcome. For each outcome, add title description, image, video, chart, table and button, etc. Step 5. Define score ranges for each outcome. Go to the All Outcomes tab, click Custom Outcome Logic. Set the score ranges that correspond to each outcome. Outgrow will automatically deliver the correct outcome based on the user's total weighted score. Step 6. Preview and publish. Click Preview top right to test different answer combinations. If the outcome mapping feels off, go back and adjust the weights. Once satisfied, click the Publish. Choose how you want to share the quiz. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.